Hello. In the spreadsheet you're looking at, we've got 4,684 records, about 26 different categories, and hundreds of subcategories. Each product has a product code and a name and a calculated price based on cost times a markup. Now, we can separate those different categories into different tabs in order to make it easier to find a particular product, and we can type in something at the top to look for a matching product, and it will find the first occurrence, and then we can go to the next, etc. But it doesn't isolate all of the products that we're looking for or any that match what we typed. So now let's look at the same data set and do the same thing in a database. So we're now looking at the same set of products within a FileMaker database. And the first thing you'll notice, perhaps, is that we've redesigned the screen to make it more readable. We've got white space between fields, and we've boxed the fields. So it's much easier on the eyes because of that white space in the design. The second thing you may notice is that there's now a counter at the top of the screen, which shows us the total number of records in the program, and in yellow the total number of records that are found. Now if I'm looking for something in particular and I want to just type it in, as I type, not only does it isolate all records that match what I typed, but the counter changes, so now it's down to 17. And the show all button is now visible because we're not working with a complete found set or a complete set. When I press show all, the counter resets and the search field clears, and we're now back where we are. In the category field, we have a list of all the different categories that are within the program, and as you add products and new categories to the program and subcategories, this list automatically updates, so it will always be current no matter how many different products and categories you enter. When we select a category, it filters down to every single record within that category and groups it by subcategory. It also populates a value list of subcategories for the selected category, and we can select any one of them to just filter down to that record. Now if we go to show all, you'll notice that we have the category and the subcategory on every single line. When we group them, those disappear because that information is in the header areas and you don't need to see it on each individual line item. So that's how easy it is to work with your products in a FileMaker database.